I'm the man, I'm the bird. Nice to meet you now, hear the rhymes that's superb. Guaranteed it's better than anything you heard. You absurd if you say that my rhymes aren't like turds. But to the point I like smoking, drinking and some sex. And after I'm finished, then I'm asking who is next. Promiscuous son of a bitch, indulging in alcohol. Till last call, macking on chicks until be the last of all. An exotic beauty, rubbing booties. While my lips are flapping, haters admire, they can't resist the clapping. My presence entices the essence of the ladies. And when I stroll past, I can hear their brain saying, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh baby, yes baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh baby, yes baby. Lady, the way that your body rocks, I can see why all the gentlemen flock. They wanna get a little taste of your swag. I can bet to execute any option that's mad. The way you make them lust makes my game straight adjust. And I gotta keep it bulletproof, cause with every move, brothers looking for something to touch and soothe. So baby, can I beg your pardon? But can I sing and dance in your magic garden? Can I take you to a land of passion and ecstasy? Your destiny is having sweet conversations in bed with me, and I bet it be something that you can't describe. So come on baby, let's no longer shuck and jive. Let's get to the point, let our bodies conjoin, and in one sexual harmony tone, let's moan. Oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, yes baby, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh baby, yes baby. Now I've introduced the man with juice. I got the boost, baby girl, so let our bodies get loose. Commence to pull your panties down, tongues, kiss and goose. And fill the night silence with sounds of sexual enticement, enchantment, followed by kissing and panting. Vertical joyride makes it look like we're dancing. Our bodies compressed, flesh on flesh. I protest any man who says you're not gorgeous. So let's sip and go to a place where our sweat will drip and flow. Anyone that sees the bed will know it's pitiful. Don't ridicule the sexually driven individual. Guarantee the night will be so sensual. You're fit, let's go. I'm so blessed just to get to know someone I'm easily ready just to hit and go. Admit it though, this brother here isn't so very typical. Dancing to Olivia Newton-John's, let's get physical. Oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh baby, yes.